everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1001 of trying a new makeup product every day. If you haven't already entered my day 1000 giveaway, make sure you head over to that video and enter it for a $100 Ulta gift card. Today I'm going to be trying out the DOUCCE Ultra Precision Eyeliner. I got this in the shade black. So I got another pencil eyeliner in Ipsy. However, this is a full-size product and I got it in my regular $12 Ipsy glam bag, and this has a retail value of $22. So let's check it out. All right, so it is the type of eyeliner that you have to sharpen. I definitely prefer the twist-up eyeliners rather than having to sharpen. But this says that it's a creamy black eyeliner that's comfy and lasts all day. It's waterproof, so it'll stay in place with no running, smearing, or fading. Has a semi-matte finish. All right, let me start out with doing a little swatch here. It seems pigmented, does seem creamy. It doesn't seem like a super dark black. But so what I actually wanted to do today, which kind of made me more excited to try out a black eyeliner pencil, is to try that eyeliner trend where you line the inner corner as well. And since this claims to be waterproof, I figured it could be good for that, because what makes me a little bit unsure about putting eyeliner in the corners here is because that's where my eyes are watery. But so let's go ahead and see how that looks on me. I'm just so curious. But first off, I am going to start out by lining my upper lash line. You can see it pulls on the eye slightly, but it is still pretty soft to where it doesn't hurt. It's not poking my eye. I have a mirror in front of me and I feel like I need to hold my eye so that I can really get the right shape and get right onto that lash line, because I was having a space in how I lined it. All right, now that it's on the eye, it does look really fully black, and it looks like it has a velvety finish like it claims, which looks really pretty. I really like the finish of it. I feel like I need to tight line though, because it's not right up against my lash line, even though I tried. And that really could be because it's not a super pointy, precise tip. But so now I'm gonna go ahead and try and line, oh gosh. This shouldn't be that hard, but maybe this pencil is too thick for it. Because I feel like you need to be like, wait, that looks terrible. Maybe I made it too pointy. Why does that look so good on other people and on me it looks so weird? Okay, I'm just gonna keep going and line the water line. And we'll see if it really sticks to the water line. That looks so weird. The way I lined it doesn't, and just kind of makes it, I can't stop looking at my eye. It makes me look like I have an alien eye. Oh my gosh. I was like so excited to try out this trend because I feel like on some people it looks so good and it gives the cat eye. And not on me. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Okay, but maybe I have to like, okay, this could make it worse, but maybe I have to have a wing and that makes the eye look, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what I did there. No, adding a wing doesn't help. Okay, I think maybe it's my eye shape, but doing that inner corner liner doesn't work. I thought it seemed so simple, but it just does not look right on me. Let me know, what am I doing wrong? I'm sorry my eye looks so kind of scary that you have to look at that while watching this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye and I don't know, just like see what happens if both eyes are lined in the inner corner, how it looks. It'll probably look scary, but I just have to do it. So yeah, once again, it's really hard to get the liner right on the lash line. So there's that visible separation between the lash line and the liner, which doesn't look good. Pulling my eye and lining it like that kind of helps, but I still feel like it needs to be tight line because it's just not right up to the lashes. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm gonna line the inner corner again. Maybe this time I'm gonna put it right on the corner and not go too far out. I don't know, like maybe the eyeliner is too thick, or maybe it's just my eye shape isn't right for it. Now lining the waterline. Does that look any better? It looks better not going too far out of the corner. Like this eye looks a lot less freaky. I don't know, maybe I kind of like how it looks on this eye. Just following the natural shape of my eye and just lining the corner. Let's review the eyeliner. Okay. Well, it seems to be staying in the waterline decently. What I love most about this is that velvet texture, but it really does seem to be long-lasting and waterproof. It is really staying in place on that inner corner. So that's pretty good. It's hard for eyeliners to stick in that waterline and inner corner. So I am glad to see just how long lasting this is. I think I could get used to this type of eyeliner. I feel like it does kind of do a little bit of that cat eye, fox eye effect. So maybe I'll do that more often. This way, no, I couldn't. Maybe I need lashes. Gosh, I don't know. Let me know if you have any tips in the comments down below on inner corner eyeliner. But okay, well this gave me a good laugh and I'm happy with this eyeliner. I will continue using this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.